Hey YouTube! Welcome to my channel where we talk about creativity, content, and leveling up your skills online. Today's topic is one that every new creator or even some experienced ones need to hear. The top do's and don'ts of YouTube content creation. Trust me, these tips are going to help you to avoid cringe moment, grow your channel, and actually keep people watching till the end. So, grab your notebook or just your brain and let's dive in. Now, let's talk about do. Number 1. Plan before you press record. You don't need to write a whole movie script, but you need to have some game plan, know your subject, your intro, your points, and your outro. Winging it seems easy, but it can make your video seem disorganized or repetitive. Even if they're just 3 to 5 bullet points, you'll remain focused and organized. 2. Use great audio and lighting. This doesn't mean you have to have a great mic or a ring light. It's already a win with that natural lighting from a window and a recording in a quiet room. People may forgive a little blurry video, but if they can clearly hear you, they'll click off. This one, the magic happens. Edit your video. Magic is happening in the edit. Trim all the pausing and gaps, in thought inspiration. You can also include music, subtitles, pop-up text, memes, anything that enhances it or make it more entertaining. Your edit should reflect your vibe. If you're funny, add memes. If you're calm, maybe the minimalist thing for you, just keep and be. Now, let's talk about don'ts. Number 1. Don't use clickbait. Of course, don't use clickbait. Tempting, right? Titles like I quit YouTube just to get attention? That's so cringe. That's so But if your video doesn't align with that title or thumbnail, they'll bounce and never return. Clickbait is the enemy of trust. And YouTube is in love with trust. Don't put up raw footage unless you're live streaming or doing a real-time reaction. Raw footage normally isn't fun to watch. So boring, awkward long silences, rambling, or saying the same thing 3 times. Yikes! Editing is the difference between and oh! Number 3. Don't disregard feedback. I get it. You get a comment that says, "This was boring," or "I could hear you," kinda stings. But it's also a gift. No, really. It's market research in real time from your audience. Respond well, take the advice if it's good advice, and show them that you improve. Listen and improve. Bonus. Don't compare yourself to big YouTubers. Everyone starts with 0 subscribers. Even your favorite creator had their awkward face. Focus on progress, not perfection. And don't give up just because someone else has more views. And trust God. That's it for today. Let's recap. Do plan your video. Use good audio lighting and edit well. Don't clickbait. Upload raw or ignore feedback. Remember the 3 do and 3 don'ts. If this helped you, hit that like button and drop a comment below telling me your biggest YouTube tip. or mistake. Oh, wait. And subscribe because I've got more helpful videos coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, and remember, everyone starts somewhere. Keep learning, keep uploading, and keep being you. Trust yourself. Thank you guys.